Hello guys, so today I will be making ginisang, giniling na baboy, and sitaw, the string beans. And I have the other stuff here that I will be using too. I have the pork cubes, ginger, garlic, and onions. And of course on the side, it's the soy sauce, the olive oil, and pepper. So let's start cooking it. So I think it's ready now. We will put the ginger. The onions, oh no, garlic and ginger. I usually fry or stir fry them together, and then our onions. And then our ground pork. It's not gonna take time because I already browned it. I put the bouillon, the pork cubes. And then some soy sauce. We got to control it, guys, because you don't want to overpower the taste of it. And now we can put our beans. And then just mix it. So here it is, and then I will add probably half cup of water, and then we will just wait for it to get cooked. Okay, just keep stirring it, and then you can now start putting your soy sauce, pepper, and if you want to add salt. I don't usually add salt because I know we already have soy sauce. And then it's right there. We will just wait for the beans to get cooked, and then that's it. I usually put some mushroom in there, but just because my kids don't like mushroom, so we will make that like optional. So no mushroom for this time. So I think it's cooked now. My kids love this recipe, especially my son. So guys, if you want to follow us, click subscribe and then like this video. And thank you for watching. Bye.